It's a little boy. Oh, there's his eyes opening.
That man is bright.
Yeah.
That man is
Look at you.
Hey, little man. He said, what the heck did y'all do to me squeeze into a little hole like that?
That's it. Let it all out, buddy. Oh my God. Look at you. Yeah. Oh. You see, the umbilical cord is still part of there. So, like, does that help, like, determine if it's an innie or an outie?
Hold on.
I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, little buddy. Hey. Yeah. Good. You do have chubby cheeks, but you are a skinny baby. Look at that. Skinny. Skinny. That's it. Cry it out, buddy. Yeah. Of course, there's Ashley and them over there. They did a great job. But there's the star show.
What's his name?
Sheldon Kyle Simmons Jr. Yeah. Oh. You're all chilling now. I figured you'd be crying more. There we go. Oh. He's a beauty. Hey. Yeah. You know what the cool thing is? I can make a movie on you because you're my alien baby now. Yeah. Yeah.
Just stare at you.
I know, hey. He's like, oh, I see a camera. Okay, I'm pose a little bit. Be like, hey. Oh my God. Let me see.